Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 9. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set it up so when you double click on something from your media bin, it gets added directly to your canvas and to your timeline, instead of the default behavior when you double click on something from the media bin and it opens up the clip editor. So the clip editor is helpful if you double click on media and you want to set in and out points for a clip and then add it to your timeline. However, if you'd rather double click on clips in the media bin and have it added directly to your canvas, here's how you make that change. To change the double click behavior in the media bin, come up to the top menu, click on Screenflow, and then click on Preferences, or use the keyboard shortcut Command, Click on the second icon for Timeline, then right here, double click in Media Catalog. It's currently set to open in the clip editor whenever you double click. If you want it to open up directly on the canvas and send it directly to the timeline, then check this radio button and then just close down the preferences. And now when you come over to your media bin, whether it's your global media bin or your footage, when you double click, it'll go right to the timeline and right onto your canvas. If you want to change it back, go to Preferences, changes to Opens in Clip Editor, and now when you double click on footage from your media bin, it'll open up in the clip editor. And that is how you change the double click behavior in the media catalog. You can either have it open in the clip editor when you double click, or have footage go directly to the timeline. For me personally, I usually keep it to Sends to Timeline. That way I can just double click on any media in the media bin and it goes right onto my canvas, into my timeline. That is your quick tip in Screenflow 9. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.